The second stimulus. What's likely included in the much-needed $900 billion package? The stimulus, round number 1. When lockdowns hit full force 9 months ago, the economy suffered. A staggering 22 million Americans lost their jobs between March and April, and the unemployment rate soared to 14.7% in April from 3.5% in February. The U.S. government moved quickly to provide financial medicine, in the form of a massive $2 trillion economic rescue package. That helped drive a swift recovery, but now the pace of financial healing has dramatically slowed. Meanwhile, 10.7 million Americans are still unemployed, 8 million have fallen into poverty since June, and COVID cases are soaring in a third wave. The stimulus, reloaded. 9 months after the first stimulus was passed, Congress has finally agreed to pass another, smaller, stimulus bill. Here's what's likely included in the nearly $900 billion package: checks, direct payments of $600 to many American adults, and in some cases an extra $600 per dependent child. Boosted unemployment, an extra $300 per week in unemployment benefits for at least 10 weeks. Business aid, at least $300 billion in small business assistance, including PPP loans. Healthcare funding, funds for distributing the 2 FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccines, and relief to overwhelmed hospitals. The takeaway: small businesses lost big in 2020. While the payroll protection program was intended to help mom-and-pop shops, it was bigger businesses who benefited most. More than half of the $525 billion in PPP loans doled out through November went to just 5% of the 5 million total recipients. Most of the loan money was given to larger businesses, according to the Washington Post. 100,000 businesses have permanently shut since lockdowns. Meanwhile, 45 of the 50 largest U.S. companies have been profitable since March. Small businesses badly need this second stimulus. Hopefully it'll be more helpful than the first.